So after all of that partying and busyness and hustle and bustle of Avatar, next stop was Morjim, and in Morjim we booked this understated, simplistic, really reasonably priced Airbnb somewhere in Morjim, where I don't know exactly. Now, what was special about this place was its location. It was located in the middle of what we can safely call a forest. There were vegetation of all sorts, paddy fields, and a lot of coconut trees, some livestock. It felt like we were in the middle of a forest, or like we were in a village, staying in a village, and all of that was so enchanting. We simply loved it. This place looks much better than it did in the photos. Pretty big rooms and mostly equipped kitchen except for the pressure cooker which we had to get from him personally. Workspace, and the best part is how much we paid for it. We just paid 3,200 for 3 nights. So after a very long day at work, it's time for us to go out again. And today was an unusual day. I worked more than 9 hours and I'm feeling extra knocked out. So we're going to this place called the Bodhi Tree and we'll be walking up till there. And here we are at Bodhi Tree. So if you might be fancying some Chinese or Tibetan food while you are in and around Morjim, this is the place to be at. The one thing that we noticed at Bodhi Tree was the food was quite reasonably priced, and we ordered for prawns, pork, and at the end some Nutella pancake which was smothered with a lot of Nutella, as you can see. This is one really nice thing about cooking in this kitchen, that is the view you have from here while cooking. Prepared our breakfast, and this is bread with some cheese spread on it, and these are bacon strips. Now we don't have the egg today, so we might just as well put this between our breads and like make a sandwich sort of a thing. Now making some tea. And the view outside, like, isn't it so pretty to be cooking next to such a view? Yeah, I think this looks done. After being indoors for long hours throughout the day, we would head out to have our dinner or just take a stroll through that forest. That was one part of the day that we would really look forward to. Now we have reached the main road. The number of prawns have reduced drastically. A lot of gravy this time. So we just came out of Goan Kitchen. It's one of my favorite places to be at whenever I'm in Morjim, because the food there is cheap and tasty too. So also it serves authentic Goan food. So if you're here, make sure you drop by Goan Kitchen. I'm going to show you one of the best things about this property, and that is this terrace.